Welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams program. Who has been nominated as the new chairperson of the Supreme Court Legal Services Committee? Justice B.R. Gavai, CJI Sanjeev Khanna, Justice Suryakant, or Justice D.Y. Chandrachud? The correct answer is option C, Justice Suryakant. Recently, Justice Suryakant has been nominated as the new chairperson of the Supreme Court Legal Services Committee by the Chief Justice of India, Sanjeev Khanna. Next question is, according to the POSH Act 2013, how long does a person have to file an appeal after receiving recommendations under Section 18? 60 days, 120 days, 90 days, or 30 days? The correct answer is option C, 90 days. Recently, in the Shri Nagaraj versus the Honorable Additional Labour Commissioner and others case, the Karnataka High Court held that the appellate authority has power to consider the application of petitioner for stay. Section 18, subsection 2 of the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013, that is POSH, mandates that an appeal under Section 18, subsection 1 must be filed within 90 days of the recommendations made. Next question is, in which contracts is the principle of subrogation most encountered? Sale contracts, insurance and surety contracts, employment contracts, or real estate contracts? The correct answer is option B, insurance and surety contracts. Subrogation is most frequently encountered in insurance and surety contracts. Subrogation is a legal principle where one party acquires the rights of a creditor against their debtor. In India, this right is addressed in sections 140 and 141 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. Next question is, under section 6 subsection 2 of the Hindu Succession Act, what can a female Hindu do with the property she inherits? Only transfer to male heirs, dispose of it through a will, sell only with family approval, or cannot transfer property? The correct answer is option B, dispose of it through a will. As per the Section 6 of the Hindu Succession Act as amended in 2005, female Hindus now hold compulsory ownership rights and can dispose of inherited property through a will. This provision grants them full control over their inherited property. The last question is, under Section 6 of the Specific Relief Act, the suit can be brought by a servant, a manager, a tenancy by holding over, or a trespasser. The correct answer is option C, a tenancy by holding over. A holding over is a tenancy where the tenant remains in a property after the expiration of the lease and the landlord continues to accept rent payment, thus making the possession of the tenant legal. Before we wrap up, here's a question for you. The land for the beneficial enjoyment of which the easementary rights exist is called profitependiary, servient heritage, dominant heritage, or customary heritage. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe for more such content. Thanks for watching.
डियर व्यूअर्स, अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।